get off the...
Buff, I'm gonna go do some work. Need some fuel. What do we have here? Got the control arm back from Powder Coater. This is the same blue that is on my wheels, Illusion Royal. So I've been meaning to do it and just haven't gotten around to it. I need to go ahead and press the ball joint back into the control arm. I'm actually gonna try and heat it real quick. Got a little temperature, laser temperature thing. Got my bushings here, and I actually, I'm really afraid this is gonna mess up when I'm pressing in the bushing if I can't get it all the way in there with the heat. So got a couple hammers, heat gun, and let's get started. See how this goes. All right, so this bad boy, low and high, 250, high, oh, I lost the sticker. I think it goes up to like 500. Yes. I think I gotta keep it on low and probably pop the breaker. So I'm just gonna get this thing heated up. It's probably gonna take a while. And then I'm gonna try and slip the ball joint in. I'm also thinking this is better than a flame. The flame's gonna be too hot potentially. I wanna say this like powder coat bakes at like 350 or 400. Don't quote me on that at all. But I'm afraid to take the metal too high and like partially liquefy or like create a run or I don't know, delaminate it. I don't know how that works, but I'm hoping this is enough. I actually haven't done this like hot cold method at all before, so I'm just kind of winging it. I'm gonna shoot for like 180 to 200. I don't know what kind of expansion that's gonna be. This is also a very big chunk of metal, so it may take a while to get the heat to saturate. If it wasn't for the powder coat, I would have just used the tool to jam the friggin' ball joints back in there, but I have the feeling it will mess up the top coat, or the powder coat. All right, this seems like she's ready. Yeah, that's 200. I think I'm 200 all the way around. Let's go. Please, for the love of God, slip in. Oh, let's do that. Does not want to. Come on. Rubber mallet. That is probably not good. That's hot. All right, let's pile up the rags here. I want to get a little more. Oops, let's go the other way. got a heavy flywheel. Don't want to mess up the stuff. Okay. Regular hammer. Socket. I don't know how cold this thing is right now, but maybe, just maybe. Nope. Oh, she's moving a little bit. Nope, I think that's about as far as it's getting. Let's see, still got, what is that, 4 or 5 millimeters? I'm almost showing the groove. There's no way y'all can see that. All right. Okay, nope. That appears to be as far as that's gonna make it. But that's okay. We've got the press tool. I'm gonna turn the control arm over though. Oh, let's move it out of the way. Okay, so this should fit over that. Yep, okay. And I'm actually gonna go with these, pre-cut these just to make sure. I'm trying not to screw up the control arm, powder coat on it. We'll see what happens. Okay, lined up. Fingers crossed. Let's see. Oh, can't turn it, can't turn it. Still with the same, couple millimeters. Let's see, push. Maybe a millimeter or two left. Trying to get this friggin' thing to hold still is not easy. Nothing yet. About a millimeter. Oh, I think I bottomed it out. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay. Come on. Alright. Fingers crossed I did not mess up the powder coat, but I'm not too confident because that was a lot of force. Ooh. That's not. Oh, it dug in on this side where it cut through. Dang, stupid. Stupid design. But overall, I think that'll clean up. And yeah, she's definitely in there. Okay, let's inspect. Yeah, so that's in there. Still cold. I'll get some polish on there, see if I can buff that out. Yeah, it's scratched it just a tiny bit. Ooh, that dented the powder coat. Dang it. Well, you live, you learn. That's okay. All right, next step is the snap ring, I think. I have that somewhere. Let me find it. Okay, I found that. Snap ring pliers. I'm sure this is gonna fight me. It fought me coming out. It's probably gonna fight me going in. All right. constant downward pressure. Oh. Come on. Ow. That hurt. Oh, oh, oh. She's in there. Okay. Ball joint. It's pressed and safe. Now, we sip some Monster. Okay. The energy suspension bushings. This grease is gnarly. The rest of the stuff's in the box still. But I remember this stuff being real gnarly. Don't need you. Okay. Let's go ahead and just lube. How long before they squeak? Okay. If I remember correctly, flat towards the inside here. On she goes. There's a little bit more left. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, that should be poking out a little bit. Just leave paper towel. All right, that bushing's done. Let's go ahead. Spin that around. All right, these guys. We'll get lube outside and inside. Basically anywhere it touches metal. And because it's got the bushing that runs through the metal, I'll do that. I'll probably also lube the bolt when it comes time to install. Easily done with your hand. Yeah, this stuff is sticky. All right. That guy. And oh, I don't know if y'all know 7.33111 G is for the black, and I believe there is an R for red if you're done with that kind of stuff. Lube. There is a gap in between here. You can see that. They don't fill the whole space, so I think a lot of the lube will just kind of pile up in the center there. Alright. Need some extra force. I figured I would. Just need to use clamps. Come on. In she goes. Oh, it's not centered. Not the same light. I'll probably tap that in with a socket later. Yeah, that was it. Like I said, I got the roll center adjust, if I'm not mistaken. I think they're from an S14. Got them off my buddy Ronnie. I've got all new Moog everything, basically. Tie rod end, or not tie rod ends, but sway bar end links and all that fun stuff. But these will be going in very soon. And I'll catch you on the next one.